Happy birthday, my mother. Lord, what a good thing say I hope I heaven you there. Because if you did, they hope you Canada, yeah. Lord, Mrs. Me know you never wouldn't like it. Today I'm minus 17, which is still good. Better than yesterday. Because yesterday was minus 15, feel like minus 30. You remember the first time when you come to Canada and when you tap out in a cold and the cold, you're licking in your face. You say, no, me want to go back to Jamaica. Feel me body no make for them ya kind of weather, yeah. Thank God say I hope I heaven you there, you hear. One thing me know say, heaven can't quiet, you know. Cause from you reach up there, hey, me know say, I one thing with you, you not sit down calm like an old church mouse. Your mouth always go a million miles an hour. Yes, that's where me get it from. You probably there at the gate I tell St. Peter, say, Chaman, open up the gate. You know see me reach at me yard. Oh yeah, take so long. Then 5 minutes later now, me can just see you running in the kitchen and I cook liver and banana. And then I tell everybody, say, make sure you clean up the kitchen. Because as people eat, kitchen for clean and dishes for wash up. As me day I reminisce, you know. Me have to bust out a laugh, you know. When me remember some of the same thing them what you used to say to me. You're afraid you catch up cold and you underneath. Look on them, the little short sitting each up underneath your behind. You must say things say for your hand giant church. Adria, is why your head look like a swinge mangoose, missus. No make me pit pan grung and it dry before you come back, you know. Why on God's green earth you go mark up your kin so? He no look good. Go wipe it off. Big the dog see mama make him mouth so long. He say, come you will see. Hungry for bust your shot. Adria, no bother go high up a road, you know. Me case and come back. Pick me no fi go a people yard and go anchor. If you're near my food, me I go beat you. And if you're not near my food, me I go beat you. Make me count to 10 and you no reach back here. Dog, nyam your supper. Then is why you go along so. Like you have tizik. You turn there. You soon meet your Waterloo. Wait, come back here. How where you go look for chaka Mrs. Judgie, aka Miss Gloria. Thank you for the 9 months you carry me. Thank you for everything what you give me. And thank you for making me the woman I am today. All of the chatting, all of the storytelling, all of the laughter we can done. As straight from you me get it. People say me funny, you know. But when me think about it, are you plan that they see there in me? People say me loud, but are you that double? Mrs., me miss you, you know. But me not go cry, and me not go sulk. Instead, me go bust a big laugh, cook some nice food, and play some Ludi and reminisce on the great times. Let me tell you something. Because if me there and walk around and make up my face, me can just hear you say, girl, happy nice. Look on your long face. And my birthday and you there walk around with long face. Make so nice and enjoy yourself. Happy heavenly birthday, my queen. The woman who gave me life and ensured that I got everything to make me into the wonderful woman I am today. Lord, Mrs., me could have give you a tour. You would have proud of me so till, but we don't have time to talk everything. Until next time, happy heavenly birthday.